Blade safety in the workplace. Whether you are using a trapezoid or rectangle blade, you may ask for a new one from your supervisor. Now if you're using one of the knives that look like this, you press this button here, this opens up, and on this side there's a little button right here that you press in, that you, cheese and crackers, go! Oh. And then when you have your new blade, you will take and press the button again and slide the blade in until it clicks, and then again press this button to close. Now if you're using a knife like this, they're very cheap, and so the supervisor says you can just throw the whole thing away. But we do have extra blades in there in case you do want to swap the blade out. Oh, goodness, are you flipping kidding me? Tea and biscuits, that's going to leave a mark. Now with your new blade, you're going to want to take it, slide it in between the metal like so. And once it's in there, again, you can just slide it in to its casing.
Isn't there a third knife that you guys use?
2 is enough for today. That'll be fine. Yeah, we're doing good. Please utilize our sharp containers. One is located at the front of our department, and the other is located in our decontam section. Both are perfect for disposing of your used blades. In our warehouse by the phone, we have a receptacle that accepts old trapezoid blades on the top and dispenses new ones from the bottom.
From Wow, That's Fantastic Productions, stay safe at home, stay safe at work. Everyone likes to have fun. No one likes to get hurt.